Hey guys, what's up? I'm Captain Pokemon and this is one of my videos. So today we are back playing PUBG. Alright, so yeah, let's do a normal squad in random either so like Miramar could also be there, and yeah, in third person mode. Alright, so I'll see you guys when we reach. Oh, and looks like it's Miramar this time. Hopefully we get a chicken dinner on camera this time. I don't know, here goes nothing. Alright, so yeah, let's see. This is like my second ever game in Miramar ever. Like I hardly ever play Miramar. So yeah. Apparently we're dropping at the junkyard, okay. Alright, we have jumped off. Looks like we got company over there. Anyway, here goes nothing. Okay, looks like this is where we're gonna be dropping. There are a lot of houses over here. Like, yeah. Alright, so our teammates are there. Looks like they are... Okay, yeah, everyone's there with us. Here goes nothing, guys. Wish me luck. 4x scope. Yes! Still, I need a gun. Okay. Not too bad. I've seen better days. I really need a gun right now. Or at least a frying pan or anything. Oh my goodness, how far away are we from the... Yes, But seriously, how far are we from the safe zone? Look at that. I'm gonna loot up a bit and like once it reaches 3 minutes we'll head to the safe zone. Okay. So there are other people here. Alright, so let's get to the safe zone now. Alright. I'm gonna need a car. Or not, I guess I'm going without a car. Guys, get to the safe zone. Are they even coming? Oh my goodness, they're still looting up. It's okay, I guess I'm on my own now. You have 2 minutes to get out of there. So yeah, hopefully we manage to make it on time. Looks like it's clear so far. No one coming near me. So yeah, I guess I should make it to the safe zone safe and sound. Man, a car would be really useful right now. Okay. A car would be really useful, but I need an actual car, not these fake cars. I think I'll go loot up this place. Maybe it will have some good stuff. How do I get in? Alright, let's see. What's this? Okay, I don't need that. Oh wait, they have a car. Are they even moving? Okay, I guess they're coming. Hopefully they come here. Alright. And why did they get out of the car? Okay, number four still in the car. I have no idea what these people are trying to do. And oh my goodness, the zone's coming in. So yeah, I'm gonna go loot up. Okay, I'm done looting up. Let's go to the play zone. And I'm in the red zone. Just great. Luckily, I haven't seen anyone. But actually, that's pretty boring because there's no one to shoot. It's getting a bit boring, this video. So yeah, let's hope that we see someone. So this is what happens. I told them to head for the safe zone. Look at them now. They're outside the safe zone, running miserably, hoping. And they're in the red zone too. Wow. Well, good luck, guys. Nothing we can do. I think we've not seen anyone because everyone's in the play zone right now. So hopefully there's some fight inside the play zone. Let's go sniping in. Maybe that might be a good idea. Oh, only problem is that I don't have enough ammo. Oh, that could be a problem. Okay, we made it inside the safe zone. Okay, come on, look at these guys screaming help. They are so dead. This is what happens. I told you to come with me to the safe zone. They didn't listen. It's not my fault. And I'm out of the safe zone again. Just great. Gunshots. From 330. Where the heck? Where the heck are they? Hello? Oh, wait. Dude, wait for me. Wait for me. Oh gosh, he's left without me. Number 4 is dead. He doesn't have a chance of surviving. So come pick me up. I'm not sure if you're gonna come and pick me up though. Oh gosh. What is this? Oh, there's another vehicle over there. What should we do, guys? What should we do? I can't even scope. I don't have enough space. Like, I don't have a high enough ground to scope him. Oops. Where did that vehicle go? I think the safest thing to do would be to head to number 2 right now. Okay, never mind, he's in the red zone. Just head to the safe zone and yeah. And there we go, we're in the safe zone. I don't want to go. Okay, yeah, there we go. Red zone is out of the way. Number 4's rage quit. Oh, number 3 survived. Wow. That's impressive. Look, there's the plane over there, so that means there's a drop nearby. I'm not sure where the drop is, but I guess we'll want to find out now. Oh, there it is. You can see it. Figure I'll never make it there on time. But still, I need more 5.56 ammo. What's number 2 doing? Is he just like staying there in one place? Wait for me! Yeah, wow. The drop is outside the zone. Things. Okay, I see a. There's a lot of fire. There's like a huge amount of fire. Oh, he's knocked out. I see the guy. Go grenade! He's running. There we go. Hopefully he was the only guy there. I avenged number 2's death. Excuse me. So number 2 survived for a long time. Maybe he has like epic items. Oh, and he had a good car. Okay. Not the best items, but it's fine. It's fine. He's good at healing, and oh my goodness, I have a lot of energy drinks. Let's go. I think I'll like hide in one of these houses, cause okay, never mind. I guess I'm making it to the safe zone now. Again. Oh, nice. Scarel. Yes! Yes! Number 3 and I are the only people alive. Why is this car going that slow? Hello. It's going at only like 30. It's going slower by the second. Low on fuel, okay. Number 3 is on fire. Yeah, we are going so slow. I wonder if walking would have been better. Okay, never mind. Where am I being shot at from? Oh yes, headshot. 8x zoom, okay. But I can't use it. Oh, no ammo, I'll gladly take that. You know, I think I'll go walking instead. The car is pretty useless. So now what? Okay, I think I'll like heal up. I'll boost up because I need my health to be full. Screw the drop. There's not much you can do. Alright. By the way, this video might accidentally just end suddenly. Even if that happens, I'll still upload it anyway. Oh, I see someone. He's wondering who's shooting at him. And right here. Arey. Come on. Wait for it. There we go. Hopefully he didn't have teammates around. No, actually, if he had teammates, he would have been knocked out. So looks like he's... Oops. Looks like he is the only... He was the last person of his team. So yeah, I'll get his stuff. He also had a 8x zoom, but he couldn't use it, unfortunately. Alright, so... things are going pretty well. Pretty good. I'm getting a bit nervous. Gunshots. So that means someone's behind the tree. I just saw some blood. A lot of grenades as well, so nothing much I can do. I can't believe it, man. I'm running away from the gunshots. Normally I'm running towards it, but this time... more gunshots. Someone's trying to shoot me from there. Where exactly is this guy? And how bad is his aim? Oh, I see him. Knock the guy out. There's gotta be someone there. I need the first aid kit. Give me the first aid kit. Not enough space. I don't have time. Equip. Drop all. First aid kit. There we go. Let's go. Okay. I see someone. So, okay, there are more people. The person who I was trying to get, someone else was trying to get him. 8 first aids, bro. Is someone sniping? Oops. Okay, come on. Things are going super good. Gunshots. You see the guy. Yeah. Uh-oh. Boost up. And bandages. Getting a bit nervous. Reload. Where's the guy? I'm not running, I'm done running. I'm gonna kill him. Okay, never mind. He has a pretty good gun. I'm not sure. Okay, I guess he's fighting with someone else. Okay, I'm just gonna go in and get the kill. Perfect. Backpack, level 3 medkit. Things are going too good. I hear footsteps. Another first aid kit. Oh no! Where did that come from? No, 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 no. No, that everything, it was going so well. Everything was perfect. Okay, help, 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 please, help, please have a med kit. Have a med kit. No, no, no. This, it was so good. Things would have been epic. Don't you dare die. Don't you dare die. Oh my goodness, this guy got a headshot. Pretty good. There's still hope. I think we might still get chicken dinner. Yeah, heal up. I scoped in the wrong. I pressed the wrong button. I put the scope on. If I didn't do that, I would have won. I would have killed him, and then number 3 and I could have. Number 3 and I could have won. Things would have been perfect. I can't believe it. You know, we might still get the chicken dinner. Let's watch. Okay, he's being shot at. He's being shot at. Okay, he's dead. He's dead. He tried to get a headshot. Number 3. I did pretty good. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and hit the bell button next to the subscribe button so that you'll be noticed every time I upload a video. And this card for Pokemon logging out. Oh, silver 3. And this card for Pokemon logging out. See you back. See you guys.